school. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. What's going on, everybody? We're here taking photos for a car show in Brookhaven. But I saw something from the road that I wasn't sure if this opportunity was going to be worth it, because I really don't like doing car shows. But I saw something from the street. It's worth it.
How y'all doing today? Fantastic. How are you, man? That's the best shirt I've seen. Straight. Instead of you trying to do it, look in the mirror, reach out and hit that great.
Oh, look at this old Citroen or whatever it is. Appreciate it, man. Ooh, it's hot, man. I think he's having ignition issues. Uh-oh. There's a little Citroen.
They only built like 29 from the 30s.
And it's down that road?
One thing I will say about car shows is you do get to meet a lot of cool people. I really like hearing all of the stories, and I'm going to let Mr. Dave Williams talk about his fire truck.
Truck is a 1982 American LaFrance Century model, four-door, originally a four-door cab, not a remake off a canopy cab. It was engine 290 in Brooklyn from 1982 until 1997, when the city of New York sold it, and it went to a very upstate New York at North Lawrence, which is basically on the Canadian border on two sides, if you will, right against the northern border and the western border along the river. It's got a 1,000 GPM pump on it. It's got a 1,500 gallon tank now. In New York City, it was a 500 gallon tank, but when it went to North Lawrence, they don't have hydrants in a lot of areas, so they turned it into a tanker. They're the ones that painted it blue and white. It did start life red and white, and they, all of North Lawrence, their apparatus for many, many years was blue and white. I think they've actually gone back to a solid, different, more fire department colors now, probably because of the cost. But it runs good. It's got about 85,000 miles on it. Got a 671 inline six Detroit with a turbo, automatic Allison transmission. And it does okay as far as, unless you're going up a steep hill. It is a little underpowered, but if you really think about it, New York City doesn't have a whole lot of hills. So it probably did great to go a short distance and then sit there and fight fire all day. Not this particular truck, but just to give you an idea of the area where engine 290 is in Brooklyn. Last year, engine 290 went over 7,000 alarms in the year. You divide that by 365, you didn't see the fire station much. You came into work, and probably the next time you saw the station was when you were off shift. But it's an enjoyable truck. It does good. I've driven it to North Charleston for a fire truck show. I take it to Perry when they have stuff down there for the forestry department. And so basically wherever I want to go with it, I get in it and go.
That was a fun car show, but I just got word that there is a car that is an all-timer. It's an all-time car that needs to be seen. Also, if you enjoyed this video, I have a crack in my windshield. So I'm really trying to get monetized so I can make money to afford things like this. I'm gonna have to get it fixed soon. But yeah, I'm trying to work on getting monetized. I've hit the subscriber challenge. I've hit the post challenge, the upload limit. I'm just working on my watch time. So I would really appreciate if you guys watched my video. So now we're going to go hunt for a car. We're going to go find it. And I think you'll really like it because it's pretty fucking sick. We're looking for it. Where is it? This is the high school. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. No fucking way, bro. Not every day you get to see a Countach. Right. God damn. I can't believe what I just saw. I mean, just a Countach, just sitting in the street. Yes, it says boobs!